Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be replacing the regulator on the alternator in our 1987 BMW E30. So we've noticed that it's not charging, not at all. It's weak. The charging system is weak and the battery is not getting fully charged, but the car runs fine. So we're gonna take out the alternator, inspect it, and also change the brushes and the regulator on it. So stay tuned. So first of all, as usual, for any job you want to do on an E30, you gotta remove the airbox. Guys, so we're gonna start by removing the cables of the alternator. This is the big one, which is a 13mm. Looks like this. Yep. Put them back just so. And the small one is an 8. Now we're gonna remove the tension of the belt, so you release this 13mm nut of this adjustable bolt. What I like to do is like this. Oh, you gotta loosen the bottom bolt. Okay guys, so we released the tension of the motor, took the belt out. Now we're gonna just remove the bottom bolt. Like so, this is the bottom bolt. Just gotta remove the top one. Like this, and drop the nut. I'm never gonna see that again. Oh, here it is. Oh, all right. So now here's the alternator. Here's the voltage regulator, which we're gonna remove first. Okay guys, so the regulator on this is held on with these two Phillips head screws. So using a Phillips head screwdriver, take them out. Okay. Here's the next one, and with that the whole regulator assembly comes right out. Okay guys, so it's the next day here. Here's the old regulator that we took out. Here's the new one, brand new. Ooh, how fancy. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm just taking a piece of sandpaper and sanding the contacts, the relay and the regulator, just for fun. So we're squeezing the fitting here because it seemed to be loose. Now making sure that it conducts electricity well. Okay guys, so this is the new regulator and this is the part number if anyone wants. Be installing this one after blowing the dust away. cleaning the contact and stuff. I'm going to set it in. There's spring pressure behind the brushes pushing on it back, so this is how it's set in, nice and easy. Just use the bolts as anchors. Yep, it's perfectly in. Tighten the bolts and slap it back in. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the alternator back in. So now, install the belt, lined everything up. Now we're gonna put tension on it. So now we're gonna connect the alternator wire. One is called the exciter, one is called the charging wire. I'd say the small one is the exciter, the big one is the charger, but I'm not sure. That's an 8mm, the big one is a 13, I guess. Guys, so now we're buttoning everything up. Okay guys, so this is how you change a regulator on your BMW E30. We covered how to remove the alternator also, a bunch of other stuff. Hopefully you found that video entertaining, informational and helpful. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.